Before the sun rises, before the world wakes, something moves in the silence. A shadow against the mountains, breathing, preparing, waiting. As the morning sun touches these green mountains, the world wakes with hope and quiet strength. Warm golden light flows across the hills, reminding us that love begins with every new day. Every breath feels lighter. This is more than a view. It's a reason to rise and believe. Between the land and the sea, these ancient mountains stand in quiet harmony. Carved by Chimishan water, they remind us that nature never rushes, yet it creates everything perfectly. In this silence, the mind slows, the heart listens, and we remember what it means to feel truly free. As the day unfolds, the landscape reveals its deeper purpose. Mountains shape the path of water, guiding life from high peaks to green valleys below. The lake remains calm on the surface, yet beneath it flows movement, balance, and quiet strength. Every element here exists for a reason, working together in perfect harmony. In this natural rhythm, nothing is rushed, and nothing is lost. And while the beauty captures our eyes, its meaning reaches further, reminding us that these places sustain life, regulate climate, and connect us all. As the sun lowers and light softens, one truth becomes clear. Protecting nature is not just about preserving views. It is about protecting our future.